There is this other Indian lady who came to me and she said, I'm so sweet. But I didn't take it that as a compliment because I know Indian people, they like hot stuff. I know, maybe she was trying to tell me that I'm not her type. I know you Indian people, you like hot stuff only, not a sweet one. I know. And the people are always complaining that there is no chili here in Mzanzi. And the Indians are not complaining that there is no chili here. Where is our chili, Indian people? You know where our chili is. They can't be still here knowing very well that there is no chili. I've never heard the Indian saying that I live from Mzanzi, there is no chili here. I live from Mzanzi for Zimbabwe. Wrong way. Uh, I live from Mzanzi for Nigeria or for Kuvugiland. You know where our chili is. Bring it back our chili, Indian people.